In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project management system in Notion. We'll start right inside Notion. Open your workspace and create a new page. This gives us a dedicated home for our system, and it keeps your projects separate from personal notes or other docs. When the new page opens, look toward the bottom area and open the templates option. This is the fastest way to get a solid structure without building everything from scratch. Next, head into the main templates gallery. You'll see categories and featured picks, but to get exactly what we need, use the search bar and type project management. This brings up a range of pre-made setups designed for tracking projects, tasks, deadlines, and statuses. Take a moment to browse. Look for a free template that matches how you like to think about work. Some focus on Kanban boards, others on tables or timelines. Check the preview to see the page layout, included databases and properties like status, priority, and due date. Once you've found a free option that feels right, click. Add to bring it into your workspace. Notion will ask where to place it. Choose the workspace or folder where your team or personal projects live. After it's added, the template opens as a fully populated page ready to customize. Now, let's tailor it. Rename the page so it's easy to spot, then review the main database. Open properties to confirm you have the essentials. A status field for tracking progress. A due date to drive calendars and timelines. A priority to help you focus. And an assignee if you plan to collaborate. If the template includes extras you won't use, hide or remove those properties to keep things clean. Simplicity makes updates faster and reduces clutter. Check the views along the top of the database. A board view, grouped by status, is great for moving tasks from to do to done. A table view helps with quick edits and sorting. A calendar view shows what's due when. Feel free to rename views so the purpose is obvious, like sprint board, backlog, or deadlines. Finally, add a couple of example projects and tasks to validate the setup. Update statuses, set realistic due dates, and assign owners if you're working with others. Adjust colors, icons, and covers to make the page more approachable. Visual cues help you and your team scan information quickly. That's it. You've built a clear, customizable project management system in Notion using a free template and tuned it so it actually matches the way you work.